back to Swank Nation. If you're new, I am Shantae Marie, and if you're OG, listen, I know you like why you on my screen, sis. You done ghosted us, but don't come for me. Don't do me. Look, what matters is I'm here with my nappy-headed ass, and this is a 2 weeks old 2-strand twist that I just came to show y'all what I do in order to revive my curls and make it pop. And listen, I would love to tell you guys all about my friend. His name is Paul. This is his product, and it's amazing. But I'm just going to go ahead and leave the deets down below because this video is going to be short, and we don't got time, girl, because I feel like I want to ramble on. But what I'm doing right now is I'm going to go ahead and wash my hair twice. But for the first wash, it's going to be with this black soap, and it is amazing. When I tell you, you're going to see. It suds up really fast, and it's cute. He put it in a coconut oil and on the in a coconut shell, and on the other side it is actually shea butter. So yeah, back to my hair. Oh my god, how long have I been rocking this hairstyle? I'm not gonna hold you, it's been 5-6 months. Why? Because I ain't shit. I definitely neglected myself. Yeah, you wouldn't know. You wouldn't know, but I have. And within these 2 years of me ghosting y'all, it probably has been 2 years because I haven't been posting like I used to. Yeah, I just let myself go. Why? I honestly wasn't going through nothing detrimental or anything like that. I just saw the finish line. I met my hair goals, which was length retention. Well, let me not say length retention because after a while I wasn't retaining the length, but I got to my desired length. And then after that, I just was like, all right, I've put in my Swanked Organics hair growth product in. I don't really need to, use that. And also styling my hair, I'm in my 30s, baby. I don't got time. My arms or my body's just not operating like how we used to. So yeah, I used to do my hair like every 2 to 3 weeks. But now I just feel like I want to do my hair 3 to 4 times for the year. And that's okay. So this is what I'm going to use to wash my hair for the second time. Amazing slip with this product. But I hate the nozzle. They need to fix that. I don't think they care though. They making money off of us. But back into this about my hair tea thing going on. And it started to become brittle. I wasn't retaining the length as I mentioned before. I was just combing my hair any types of way. I would tell you guys, hey, comb from the ends to the roots. And I even just failed to do that. And I cried to my little brother, my twin, if you know, you know. He was like, why don't you just get back into your regimen? I was like, I'm tired, okay? I'm tired. And these products is just so expensive. He was like, come on, then what are we talking about? So I'm like, you're right. No excuses. Put in the work. So here we are. I decided to just start 2-strand and twisting my hair. And it's working. It's working for me. My curls are back. I'm happy. Obviously, as you gain length, you're not going to see the fullness in your hair. And so that's what I was experiencing, and as you can see here. And also, I wasn't taking my multivitamin, stuff like that. So now I am, but I wasn't, and it showed in my hairstyle. So now my hair is full of life again, and my hair is not thinning out, it's not breaking as much. What I do is to avoid that, I don't comb my hair out in the shower anymore. I don't detangle in the shower. So in order for me to avoid all of that, I just do the 2-strand twist. As you can see here, I use the oil and I go ahead and unravel it, and then I intentionally go between each strand and seek out the ones that are just dead and just needs to come out. You may see a knot here and there, that's okay, but it's up to you if you want to be gentle, which I need to be. And that's the era that I'm in right now. I'm in my, what y'all say, soft girl era? Well, I'm just trying to be more gentle to myself. That's included in that. But anywho, so the products I'm about to get into are amazing, especially the gel. Yeah, it has your girl's hair on stiff, but if you add some oils, it's not as crunchy as you would think. But my split ends, you can't even tell that it's there. Yes, I have split ends, and I refuse to cut my hair now. I don't know. Who said that we have to cut it every year or every, 2 to 3 months? Okay, fine. I agree with them to a certain extent. But I just wanted to see if my hair would grow longer. And yeah, it's definitely giving length, but also my split ends is rising, so I need to find a professional, because at this point I don't think I should cut my hair anymore by myself. Look how long it is. But anyways, so back into getting into the products. This product line, amazing. Yeah, I support them. No, this is not a paid video or paid ad. Nope, but get into it. So you want to go ahead and make sure you apply some deep conditioner, leave-in conditioner. Do your thing. You want to? I do it once a week. If I forget, it's okay to skip a week and do it the next week. But I wasn't doing that. I was using extensions to mask my hair. And while you mask your hair, yeah, it's cool to moisturize and do all these things, but you take your hair out and then you cover it again. Where's the love, babes? Where's the love in your tresses? So yeah, that's where I'm at in this hair journey. And I know this is the first time I'm actually doing a voiceover, and I don't know how I feel about it. If you know, I'm an introvert low-key. Yeah, most people think I'm an extrovert, but if I'm being honest with myself, I'm an ambivert. Sometimes I pop in, I pop out. But y'all let me know how y'all feel about this voiceover. I think it's alright, but I prefer to leave the little comments in the video. But yeah, so what you want to do is, to make the style last longer, just go ahead and braid it, probably 1 inch down, and then go ahead and divide that third leg into 2, and make sure that you're doing a 2-strand twist. And then you want to finish off. You can finish off with a braid at the end, but who got time to do that takeout? Undo the braid, then the twist, and then the braid again? No. So box braid at the beginning, twist, and then coil at the end. And yes, I'm adding more products because why not? Again, we want to protect our ends, and I know a little bit of length retention, but girl, it wasn't given after a certain point because I let myself go. This is the product I'm using, and it helps me to make sure the hair is not too crunchy, and also to just protect my hair. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, if you feel like you want to see me post more videos on my platform, I told you I ain't doing my hair no more like that. Just leave a comment below, and I need a model for it. So if you want to get your hair done for free, it has to be a new hairstyle, then it'll be for free. It has to be something that I haven't done on my platform, because y'all know me, if I'm not innovative, I don't want to post it. There's too much repetitive going on. There's too much same shit on freaking, it's saturated, it's oversaturated, and I feel like that's why I don't post how to do box braids like 7 times, because it's just too much. Y'all already saw that. So if you guys want to get your hair done, even if it's not a new style, you can find me. I'm in Orlando, Florida. Y'all keep asking, where are you? Babes, I'm in Florida, and I do travel only if you're in surrounding cities. That'll be an hour and a half the max away from Orlando. And if you do come, you'll go ahead and I'll get you service at your hotel, because I am a traveling stylist. I'm no longer in a salon. And that is the hairstyle. If you guys have any video ideas that I can post, so I can make sure I come and show my face more often, just make sure you tag it down below. Post it down below, sis. Don't be afraid, I don't bite. But okay, y'all, thank you so much for watching this video, and that is how I fluff my hair, bring it back to life, and we gonna rock it for another 2 weeks. Ow. Yes, look at that length. My hair's so beautiful. I do need to cut my hair and see where it's at. All right, y'all, smooches. Bye.